Hi, in this demo, I'm going to show you my version of Saga implementation. We have three microservices. This is the payment service, as you see here, and this is the order service, and this is the inventory service. We have a few endpoints as well, just to see how the data is inside. Right now, this is the order endpoint. Yeah, if I try to find, it has an empty list or empty collection. So let's place a couple of orders 101, and let's say this is around 2190. No, it's too less, so let's say 5190. So it's a new, um, and so I'm going to send it. It has created, and this is the inventory service has received about the order. Now let me add one more order, 102, and the amount, let's say it is around 203 3 pounds, sorry, 203 pounds and 40. So I'm going to submit it. Now when I go and find the orders, um, yeah, we have 101, which is 51 pound 90p, and 102, which is again new with 203 pound 40p. Yeah. If we go to inventory also, this is inventory. Yeah, you can find the same information. The process is customers place orders and they have to be acknowledged. So the person in the inventory will check, and let's say that is the process I employed here. He accepted. Okay, so let's do one thing. I accepted the order, and now let's see what happens to the status. So 101 has become paid. That's because it has gone to the payment service. The payment uh, service received 101, and it has, because the status of the inventory was accepted, it took the payment and it is done. Now let's go to the order number. So, okay, I think you have seen it here. The 102 status is still new. Now we are going to accept 102 as well. Okay, now if I go to the orders and search, it has failed. That's because I have put a condition wherein if the payment amount is more than 200, let's make it a failure. So that's the reason. Yeah, 102 has failed. Now if we go to inventory and check what happened there, even that has the status has failed. So these three services are choreographed using Saga pattern. Okay, now what is in the background? So in the background, I have these. I have some services running. It includes schema registry also. So this is not just simply passing strings. This is passing objects. And I have the arrow getting serialized. Thank you.